If you forgot the password and you cannot unlock your Realme 14T, then unfortunately the only way to get the access back is by performing factory reset of this phone. More precisely, we will need to go to the Android recovery mode to be able to unlock our phone. So unfortunately, if you didn't make any backup of your data that you have on your internal storage, then you will just lose this data. So in order to perform this reset and get the access back, first we need to turn off our phone. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and we're gonna swipe down over here in order to power off the phone. Completely shut down the phone. Once the phone is completely off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So press these two buttons at the same time and just keep holding until you turn on the phone and you will see the Realme logo. Once you see the Realme logo over here at the bottom, you can also read that we are going to recovery mode. And after a short while, you should be able to see the language selection. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. There we go. Now over here, we can select English, of course, and we want to choose format data. If you choose this option, then we need to enter the verification code that we have over here. And once you enter the code, you will be able to factory reset your phone. And after the hard reset, of course, you will have the initial configuration again, but you will get the access back to your phone. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.